imparting knowledge is prime service. Namaste and good afternoon. Taking this quotation in my heart and shaking my hands with very cooperative and collaborative radio station, Mali radio station. Today again I am here to share my knowledge to all my dear innocent students. Thanking the education faculty of Madi municipality for launching radio school program for such crucial period, I would like to join with my lovely students through my voice who are very passionately waiting their English class. Hi everyone. I wish you have sound health and enjoying your days. And I request to all guardians to be with their kids and support them to manage book, coffee, pen, etc. अर्थात् म अभिभावक ज्यूहरूलाई पनि बाबु नानीहरूको किताब, कापी, कलमको बन्दोबस्त गरिदिनु हुन विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दछु. Now, without losing any single second, let's begin our today's English class. Dear my students, today we are going to start our English class with a very beautiful chant that is given in your textbook, page number 40. Please open your book. Do you open your book and find the page number 40? Good. I hope you find page number 40 and you can see there a beautiful chant. Please listen this beautiful chant very carefully and my students enjoy it. Now let's enjoy the beautiful chant.
One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right.
My dear students, once again listen it and this time try to sing together. यो पाली चाहिँ यसलाई सुन्ने पनि र यो सँगसँगै यो गीत गाउने कोसिस गर है.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right. One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? The little finger on my right.
I hope you enjoyed this chant and you also sing together. Now I'm going to start another session about the grammar. Once again, welcome you all in my language classroom. And doing any late, let's start today's program. My dear students, today we are going to study a very important topic called adjective. I hope you have already listened about this word adjective. Am I right? Can you tell me the spelling of adjective? Good, correct. The spelling of adjective is ADJECTIVE. Jack, JEC, tip, TIVE. In this way, it's called adjective. So, my dear students, you already know what the topic that we are going to study today is adjective. अर्थात् आज हामी सबैजना मिलेर एडजेक्टिभको बारेमा छलफल गर्न गइरहेका छौँ. So today we will discuss about two things. Two matters will be opened here. दुईवटा कुराहरू हामीहरू आज पढ्नेछौँ एडजेक्टिभको बारेमा. They are the first one, what is an adjective? आखिर एडजेक्टिभ के हो त? That means we will discuss the concept of adjective. है हामीहरू एडजेक्टिभ के हो भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ पहिला पढ्ने छौँ. And the second one is we will discuss some examples of adjectives. र सँगसँगै हामी एडजेक्टिभहरूका एक्जाम्पलहरू पनि हामी छलफल गर्नेछौँ. So today only these two things are explained in my class. Let's enter in our first work. Let's know the concept of adjective. Are you ready? Have you written the topic in your note copy? के तिमीले आजको टपिक आफ्नो नोट कपीमा लेखिसक्यौ? The topic is adjective. I hope you have written adjective in your note copy. Okay, without making any delay, our ढिलो नगरिकन, let's know what is an adjective. Adjective भनेको के हो? Adjective is a word that tells about noun or pronoun. Both are same here. In the case of adjective, no matter noun and pronoun, you can say noun only here. अर्थात् एडजेक्टिभ एउटा यस्तो वर्ड हो जसले नाउनको बारेमा भन्ने गर्दछ. Adjective tells about noun. So, what is noun then? हामीलाई यसले भन्यो कि एडजेक्टिभले नाउनको बारेमा डिस्क्राइब गर्छ, भन्छ भनेर भन्यो. त्यसो भने नाउन के हो त? Very good. Noun is a naming word of person, place, things, etc. and etc. That we have already discussed. जसको बारे हामीले पहिले पनि डिस्कस गरिसकेका छौँ. नाउन एउटा नेमिङ वर्ड हो, पर्सनको, प्लेसको, थिङको. As I already told you, adjective is a word that describes noun, or noun is a naming word of person, place, things, and etc. So let's describe them one by one to understand very clearly. Among them, at first, let's describe adjective as describing word of person. How the person is described. As I have already mentioned, adjectives are words that describes noun. Now for understanding adjective, we need to know what are nouns. So, what exactly is a noun? Can you remember? Well, noun is a naming word that contains person, place, things, idea, etc. So, let's study them in very detail. Well, in case of person, as a person, please think about your head teacher. Think about your principal and try to answer the question, what kind of your principal? Principal कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ? यो प्रश्नको उत्तर लेख्ने कोसिस गर. You might write, he or she is good. He is white. He is very clever. He is very handsome. Like these words you can use. Alright, these words that I used to describe principle are called adjectives. For example, I use handsome, good, clever. So these words are describing about principle. So these words are called adjective in English grammar. Similarly, adjective describes about place. अर्थात् एडजेक्टिभले प्लेसको बारेमा पनि डिस्क्राइब गर्ने गर्दछ. फर एक्जाम्पल, लेट्स डिस्क्राइब योर स्कुल. हामी हाम्रो स्कुलको डिस्क्राइब गरौँ. We can say our school is beautiful. We can say our school is old school, or you can say our school is new school. Similarly, we can say our school is painted in yellow color. Here, beautiful, old, new, yellow, these words are describing about our school. So, they are adjective. Dear my students, similarly, an adjective also describes about things. अर्थात् एड्जेक्टिभले थिङ्सको बारेमा पनि डिस्क्राइब गर्ने गर्दछ. For example, let's imagine about a football and say something about football. फुटबलको हामी कल्पना गरौँ र त्यसको बारेमा भनौँ. We can say it is colorful. हो कलरफुल हुन्छ नि हैन, कालो सेतो रातो हरियो पहेँलो हुन सक्छ. It is round, गोल हुन्छ. It is small, it has two colors. Here the words colorful, two, small, round. This word describes a ball as a thing, so they are called adjective. So my dear students, as a whole, we can say an adjective describes about person, place, things, and other so on. Dear my students, similarly an adjective can tell more about colors. For example, black, blue, green, pink, all the name of color are the adjective. An adjective can tell also about size, big, huge, large, small, short, tall, like this. An adjective can tell about the shape of noun. For example, round, square, triangle, boxy, oval, हैन. यसै गरी an adjective can tell about the taste, स्वादको बारेमा. कस्तो स्वादको छ त, bitter, तितो, sour, अमिलो, sweet, गुलियो, like this. They can be described by an adjective. Similarly, an adjective describes odor, smell, flower, fresh, stinky. Similarly, an adjective can describe the sound, loud sound, pleasant sound, quiet sound, Similarly, this adjective can describe the weather, मौसमको पनि. कस्तो छ त? When you are asking the question how, कस्तो, then the adjective comes automatically. Here, about the weather, अब मौसम के बारेमा हेरौँ न. कस्तो छ त आजको मौसम? Clear, dry, foggy, windy. Interesting. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understand very much today and you enjoyed my class and you get some knowledge about the adjective. Now it is the time for your homework, and your homework is very easier. You must write any 10 examples of adjective. Write down any 10 examples of adjective and make their one sentence. Each of the example must be made a sentence. उदाहरण पनि लेख र प्रत्येक उदाहरणको एउटा सेन्टेन्स पनि बनाउने है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. I hope you all enjoyed my class today. On next day, we will again meet and rock our class. We will make more fun and get more knowledge about English language. At the end, before separating with you all, dear my lovely students, I would like to request you all to stay at your home with very carefully and adopting all measurements to be safe from this recent worst pandemic disease called COVID-19 Corona. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.